Aw, fuck me, dude. God damn it. Let's see. Where's Apache gonna play?
What? Harb and Seagull?
Yeah, I know. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Fuck. What is Harb gonna play? Like, Hog or Zarya? I don't fucking know.
Yeah. Let's just get dive comp. Shit's fucking broken.
I fucking love Harbleu. God damn it.
Just got shot by his Ana headshot in there.
Shit's up. We gotta move.
This is a dead push.
Oh my god. Seagull's like 3 bars. Still 3 bars.
Oh,
He's 1 HP.
Oh,
Fuck!
First strike hit him, dude. Did you see
I saw that, I saw that. I'm fucking dead, dude. This isn't working. I peek and I die, dude.
I'm not there, I'm not there. Rodok behind, Rodok behind.
Alright, we gotta pick. Let's fight, let's fight.
Yeah, I guess it's me.
Yo, they're all down.
Holy shit. He got fucking bodied. I headshot him. It took like all his health. Good shit.
I'm dead. I killed their Zen now. They're low on there. Yeah, they're low over there. Good job.
We gotta
We gotta use the Zen here. Or you got hooked there, I think. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I got him.
This guy owns, man. He's hitting all of his shots. Makes me happy. You don't see too many good McCrees. I don't know why.
Nice here.
Yeah, we should win right there.
Dude, we keep barely getting this. Wait, what did Seagull? Did Seagull say something? No way, dude. Seagull says I don't miss. Dude, I don't miss, bro. Just kidding, I miss all the fucking time. Gonna get rocked. We have no ults. Let's go, boys. Hey, this guy's so annoying. And I don't get fucking healed. They didn't grab, did they?
That's doable. Whatever. Hit us. We'll be fine.
Nice pick. Yeah, I got her shatter. Hey, which way? Nice. Good job.
Oh my god.
Good god.
My 2 favorite streamers. Oh god.
Oh.
Okay, just got sold.
I got slapped. I think we lost.
We'll save that, because they still have combo, so don't use strats.
Yeah.
Oh, I still got pinned, rip.
Like this.
No, we definitely can't. I'm looking at everyone. We can't. Just let them have it. Rip. Oh! Holy shit! My headset's low.
There we go. Good.
Fuck, I need to plug in my headset.
Yo, they're going around. They're going around.
Yeah, they're rapping.
Holy shit.
Hook 1.0 right there.
Still in my blood. Where's this
Genji-
fucking hog, dude?
Genji Roadhog now.
Got him!
Hog on the left, he's gonna flank us. Careful, he dropped off.
He actually hit that? I didn't even deflect because I thought I would be around the corner in time. He even called it, but I wasn't expecting that. Damn, that was a really nice flick.
I'm dead.
No! How did it? What? I'm like dead. What?
I'm just coming back in out of here.
Kill! What the fuck? Kill him! No, you don't, bitch.
Oh shit! Nice.
No! I was just trusting him to be able to land the shot again. Fuck.
Dude, this Lucio needs to die.
He died,
There goes behind.
Chaser, chaser, chaser.
What is going on? How it?
You fucking did it.
Hey!
Oh my god.
I actually raped them. I don't know how.
Fucking on.
2-1.
Woo! Good game, boys. That was a good game.
Victory.
Holy fuck.
Play of the match.
God damn it, we're leaving.